Volkswagen was one of the first car makers to work out that well-heeled types might buy fastback 5-door saloons with coupe profiles, tapping into the market with its Passat-based CC. This good-looking car has been replaced by the Arteon, a made-up name of the sort car makers love. A hatchback 6-light design, this uses current Passat underpinnings and is now VW's flagship. Its broad body is Germanically stylish, with distinctive front lamp clusters that blend with the grille. The end result is less in-your-face than Audi's fastback saloons, but, like them, does without a rear wiper. We drove an Arteon R-Line 150 PS 4-cylinder diesel. With a 60-40 sales split between company and private buyers, VW thinks diesel Arteons will sell best. This one came with a 7-speed, self-shifting DSG transmission, which proved fast and smooth. The steering was light and very direct, if not especially communicative. The ride was firm on minor roads and really very smooth on motorways. Generally, mechanical refinement was excellent, and despite frameless side windows, wind noise was muted too. The boot was large in a long, slightly shallow way. Rear legroom commendable, and the car was a very comfortable place for 4, with room for a 5th occupant. The big touchscreen was easy to use, and although there are lots of controls and features, Arteon drivers won't be water cannoned with too clever by half functions. It is, generally, a very user-friendly car. Notable features include adaptive cruise control that uses GPS data to monitor speed limits, and an emergency lane assist that will, if possible, steer the car into a slow lane on a dual carriageway and apply the hazard flashes if the driver becomes ill. At just under £35,000, this is an expensive car, but it's capable, likeable, and possesses a subtle classiness.